Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use voice input in Google Gemini on a computer in just a few simple steps. First, head over to gemini.google.com and start a new chat. You'll see a microphone icon at the bottom of the prompt box. Click it to open voice input. Your browser will ask for permission to use your microphone, so click Allow. The prompt box now shows a dotted outline, which means Gemini is listening. Speak your question clearly. For this example, I'm asking for 3 ideas for a Sunday lunch that can be made in under an hour. Your words appear in the prompt box as you speak, then click the arrow to submit it. Gemini processes your voice input and starts generating a response. If Gemini doesn't catch what you said, you'll see a message saying it didn't hear you clearly. Just click the microphone icon again and repeat your question. If the microphone icon doesn't appear at all, check that your browser has microphone permissions enabled in its settings. You can always switch back to typing by clicking anywhere in the prompt box. Voice input and text input work side by side. For the clearest results, speak at a normal pace in a quiet environment and wait until you've finished your full question before submitting. Voice input works best for natural questions and conversational prompts rather than complex technical requests. And that's how to use voice input in Google Gemini. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.